Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade hair gel without aloe vera. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need just 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of whole flax seeds. These 2 items are the foundation of our natural hair gel. Additionally, have a small saucepan and a fine mesh strainer ready. For a pleasant scent, you might want to include about 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil, like lavender or rosemary, to personalize your gel. Now let's get cooking. Pour the 1 cup of water into your small saucepan, then add the 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. Place the saucepan on your stovetop and bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Once it reaches a rolling boil, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer gently for about 7 to 10 minutes. You'll notice the liquid transforming into a gel-like consistency, similar to egg whites, which is exactly what we want. Once your flaxseed mixture has reached the desired gel consistency, it's time to strain it. Immediately pour the hot gel through your fine mesh strainer into a clean bowl. Use a spoon or spatula to gently press the flax seeds against the strainer, ensuring you extract every last drop of that precious gel. Discard the seeds. Now, let the strained gel cool completely to room temperature. This cooling process will further thicken the gel and prepare it for use. Finally, let's talk about storage and how to use your fantastic new hair gel. Once the gel is completely cool, transfer it into a clean, airtight container. A small jar or a pump bottle works perfectly. To maintain its freshness, store your homemade flaxseed hair gel in the refrigerator, where it will last for up to 2 weeks. When you're ready to style, simply take a small, pea-sized amount and apply it to damp or dry hair to define curls, smooth flyaways, or hold your desired style in place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.